welcome back artists, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to draw a Kaiju Wolf, a giant radioactive atomic energy, I don't know, some sort of mutated wolf, and it's from my new cartoon, The Three Little Pigs and the Big Bad Kaiju. Which you can see on my other channel, my animation channel. I'll have a link below and you can check that out. This is my drawing channel where I teach you how to draw all sorts of awesome characters. So let's begin. So we're in our nuclear dump site, our toxic wasteland, and we're going to draw our Kaiju Wolf using a number 5. So go ahead and add that to your paper. Next, let's draw the wolf's eyes. And give it some angry eyebrows. I honestly can't remember what I colored the eyes on the animated version, so I'm just gonna do pink. Over here, let's add the Kaiju Wolf nose and a little line down like this, and then we're gonna draw some little dots on both sides of the wolf's face. Let's add those big Kaiju teeth. Hold on just 1 second. I want to tell you all about Harptooniacs. It's my members only, commercial-free art site. It's a place where you can level up your drawing game while having fun. A safe and fun space where you can grow as an artist is what Harptooniacs is all about. It's perfect for kids, it's perfect for families, and it's great for schools. And I have 3 free lessons you can try today. Just click on the link below this video. And I can't wait to see you at Harptooniacs, where every drawing tells a story. And you'll notice they run into the wolf's, the bottom of that 5. So we're gonna have to do a little erasing here. And over here. I'm coloring my character as we go, but you don't have to do that. Feel free to color yours at the very end. So now what we're gonna do is, let's actually add some more teeth. And we want to close this part of the mouth. We're just gonna draw a little line here. Make it a little bit better than that. A little line right there. And then I filled mine in. Of course, you could color or shade your mouth in. And now what we need to do is, over here, let's draw the big Kaiju Wolf ears. So we're gonna draw sharp, pointy letter M. A little detail there like so. It's looking really good. We have the start of our Kaiju Wolf. Now the body, we're just gonna start here and we're gonna end up over here, and we're just gonna draw a line like this. But we also want to add like scales on this character. So we're gonna draw a line here, and then let's add some scales for the creature's belly. And what I like to do also, if you'll notice here, the eyes, I like to add just a little bit of some lines. Yeah, I'll show you what that looks like. There you go. If you can see, I added these like little lines up there in the eyes and a couple little scratches and just little things that kind of add, little tiny hairs here on the ear, just things like that that add to the character. So we're gonna put those on there as well. So feel free to add little details. Now, let's add a Kaiju Wolf arm. We're gonna draw lines here. And cartoon fingers, and then you can add some claws. It's looking great. Now we need to draw the legs and feet. So we're gonna start by drawing what looks like sort of a backwards L shape. If you'll notice, I just draw a line down and over like so. I may make it a little bit longer because these are giant monster feet. And then let's add the top of the foot and some lines for the toes. And we're gonna finish that leg right here. Now I'm gonna have to do a little bit of erasing on my character, and then I can fill that in. Let's also add these big Kaiju toenails. We want to draw that same foot again here, although there's a little overlapping, so we're not gonna see all of it. So I just draw a line here and here. I'm just kind of copying what this foot looks like. And I'm only going to draw 2 toes because the one is way over here, it's hidden. just the way the body of our character is turned. There we go. We have the almost a completed Kaiju Wolf. We need to add the tail, and the tail has some really cool features too. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're just going to draw a line here. And then here's the leg. We'll draw another line. We're going to draw a wrecking ball for a tail. Actually, it's called a mace. So we're going to draw a little line, kind of a circle. You just want to draw a nice little circle here. I'm going to put some little tick marks on it and big spikes around it. And you might have a couple of spikes inside of it as well. Just make as many spikes as you like, and you can draw them real sharp and pointy too. All right, this big bad Kaiju Wolf is looking pretty cool, but let's also give it some spikes on the back end, the tail. Just drawing these spikes right here. And I'm using a slightly darker green than the body to add some more scales to my creature. There we go, a Kaiju Wolf. Woo! But my Kaiju Wolf is invaded. It is attacking downtown Cincinnati. Oh no! Oh no! Why would you do this? And you can see it's smashing buildings here. Oh no, it's just gonna put a big crack in this building. And it's causing major damage to downtown Cincinnati. Oh no, what are we gonna do about this Kaiju Wolf? Maybe we can send in some attack helicopters. However, I don't think one attack helicopter is gonna do the trick. We're gonna need a lot more than that. Yeah, I think we're gonna need way more than just 3. And here comes the military, all the attack helicopters. But I don't know if they can do anything. This is one big kaiju. I'm not sure. Hey artists, and remember to check out Harptoons. I have some free lessons that you can check out in the link below. You're gonna love it. Commercial free, members only art lessons. And we're gonna do lots of drawing. That we have the ability to stop this monster. I have an idea what we can do. How about a giant skyline chili dog? Yeah. So I think that's gonna make our monster pretty happy. Kaiju Wolf. Yeah, Kaiju Wolf seems to like that. Nice, okay. And what else can we... Oh, I have another idea. We can make an official Cincinnatian. We'll give him a Reds baseball cap. That's a little big. Let's see if we can get it to fit better. Almost. That kind of works. Maybe I need to warp it. Yeah, that's working. Sort of. Yeah, good enough, right? Okay. Yay! And all the destruction is now cleared up as we have our... Oh, and we've got 3 little pigs. Wait, I think they're kind of mutant pigs too. They look way too big to be normal-sized pigs. We better shrink them down. They look way too big. There we go. There's our 3 little pigs. Artists, I hope you had a blast drawing this character. I know I had a lot of fun. Remember, you can always post your images below, and if you have any questions, send them to Harptoons. I'd love to see what you created and the questions you might have, or if there's something you want me to draw, hit me up on Harptoons, and I'll be happy to draw that. You can always post all your comments right below, and I'll see you in the next lesson real soon. Grab your pencil and your paper and turn on your imagination. We're gonna